Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Stripe to Shopify, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect Stripe to Shopify, begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Once logged in, navigate to the settings section at the bottom of the left-hand sidebar. In the settings menu, select payments. Under the payments section, look for the option that says choose a payment provider. Click on choose a payment provider to see a list of available payment gateways. Scroll down the list until you find Stripe. Click on Stripe to get started with the integration. You'll be prompted to enter your Stripe account details. If you already have a Stripe account, enter your credentials and click Login. If you don't have a Stripe account, you'll need to create one by clicking on the provided link. Once logged in or after creating your account, follow the prompts to set up your Stripe account. After completing the setup, return to your Shopify admin panel. In the Payments section, confirm that Stripe is now listed as your payment processor. Ensure you have enabled Stripe by clicking the Activate button next to it. Next, make sure to complete any additional settings Stripe may require. You may need to verify your business information and bank details. After completing these settings, go back to the Payments page. Run a test transaction to verify that Stripe is connected correctly. Check your Stripe dashboard to confirm that the transaction appears there. If everything looks good, you are now ready to accept payments through Stripe on your Shopify store. That's how you connect Stripe to Shopify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.